Next thing in the attract model is called as army. Now, when I was going through tough patch in my career, I realized that, like I was fighting alone. It was only me. It was only me, like trying to make the ends happen, trying to look for the job, trying to, learn the skills and everything. But then I realized that, there is a even better way. And that's most of the people who really get successful, they use this way. They create army around them. Now, we're not going to go fight, but just have that idea, like there is someone along with you, working with you to make your goals happen. Now, there are a couple of people in your life, they're already there, like think of this like this, the great warriors, they create the intelligent army. So you have to be a great warrior in life, you have to create the intelligent army around you, because you don't have to fight alone. Let's say you're looking for a career success or a job approach, anything, don't approach it alone. Simply being, what happens, if you're trying to approach alone, it's only you working really hard. But the moment you have these other people working with you, let's say your friends, your family members, your work colleagues, your networking groups, or social media connections, let's say LinkedIn or Facebook, recruitment consultants, tell them what you're looking for, tell them what are the next opportunities you're looking for, because it's, in the market there are many people, they are fighting alone. So whenever some job comes, let's say in a job portal, or the job comes inside the organization, probably you alone might be applying that. But let's say what happens when more than one person knows about you, what you really want, they will actually can show you the opportunities or give you the opportunities. It has happened with my friends as well, like they come up with certain opportunities and come and share with you, Nilesh, why don't you talk to them, like there are certain opportunities, maybe business opportunities or career opportunities. That actually helps. So build the army around you, don't fight alone, because the journey can be difficult, so you don't have to fight the journey alone. So make sure you take some time, find the friends and family, those who can trust, share them your dreams and passions, start sharing them your results, so that they will understand your skills and capabilities, and start sharing those skills and capabilities to the world, and have the army around with you. So don't fight alone, have the army around with you to look for this particular success that you're looking for. Yes. And once again, I'm chasing, we don't have to chase the success, we have to attract the success. And as the method which I'm going to share with you right now, these are the methods will actually help you to attract more and more success towards you, right? Now, yeah, so anybody has any question? I think Arush, you have a question, you can unmute yourself and ask the question.
So that's my son's name. My name is Vishal.
Okay, Vishal.
Yeah, I just wanted to kind of differ about when you said aim for results. Results that matter, not the efforts. I would like to differ on that, because it's the effort which you put in gets you the results. If you're not putting the efforts, how would you get the results?
Very good question, very good question. But my perspective was slightly different. For example, let's say you're working in a company and you have a couple of team members working with you.
Yeah.
So what ultimately matters, like what results those team members are creating for you. If you've signed someone, let's say he's working, let's say 24 hours, but not actually creating a result for you, you probably will be thinking, or, again, like, do you need to train him, or, have a word with him, to produce the results. And this is something in the real world, you cannot say somebody that, I work like 24 hours or 6 months for certain project, but unless you have something to show as a, practical results, uh, people tend to not believe you, because they always think, maybe either you're not capable enough, or maybe you don't know certain things. The moment you have certain results actually, creates the credibility for you. Only efforts, okay, some empathy people can show you, but and you rightly said, you need efforts to create the result, but it ultimately results will give you more attraction.
Yeah, I like to agree, because in the real world, it's what the results matters the
That
most.
was the only my point.
Yeah, but the efforts now, like you said about the team member. Now I can't be there. I work as a manager. I can't be there all around to manage the team. So I got to live on the leverage of whatever my team is doing.
What are the results your team member is delivering?
Yeah, and you, like my manager lives on the leverage whatever results I'm giving.
Exactly.
But at the same time, the efforts by myself and my team are taken into consideration. That okay, now a person can have a will to do it, an attitude to do it. If they doesn't have the will and the attitude, the effort won't be there and the results won't come in. So I think it goes hand in hand, the effort and the results. at times there are some external factors which makes difference to the results, like which can be your team member, the other side people, how they're perceiving it and stuff. But yeah, that's what I just wanted to.
No, thank you for sharing. And it's a good perspective. The perspective which I was coming for is, like, let's say somebody's looking for career success. He can't just say, no, I spent last 24 hours applying for a job. So that some people are only thinking the efforts perspective. But whenever you train your brain, let's say, just rewire your brain to show the results, you'll go to the extra mile. You'll be passionate. You will put, let's say, extra efforts to make the results happen. And that's a different level of energy. So that's where I'm coming from.
Okay.
What you said is rightly correct.
Thank you for letting me know.
No, you're welcome. And yeah, thank you for sharing the question as well. Anybody else has any question? Feel free to unmute yourself and have a question.